TechEmpire presents the top 5 best ankle weights in this year. These are handpicked based on the prices, customer reviews, and our personal opinion. If you want updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 1. MindReader Neoprene Adjustable Weights, Blue. Create a more challenging workout with the MindReader adjustable ankle weights and wrist weights. Easily incorporate these weights into your workouts. The adjustable and portable design can be used to add resistance on your wrists or ankles, wherever and whenever you need to add an extra boost to your fitness routine. Wear these weights to add extra resistance while running, walking, cycling, doing aerobics, yoga, Pilates, boxing, and other exercises when your regular workouts hit a plateau. This 2-pack of arm or leg weights features adjustable straps with heavy-duty hook and loop fastener closures to ensure a comfortable and secure fit on ankles and wrists of all sizes. The adjustable fit and non-abrasive material are designed to feel smooth against your skin, making these weights comfortable to wear while you work out. The mental sand used to add weight conforms to the shape of your wrist or ankle, avoiding uncomfortable lumps or sharp angles. Add resistance to increase upper and lower body strength, rehabilitate muscles, and improve balance and coordination during physical therapy exercises. Made with durable, moisture-wicking material and styrene butadiene rubber, this set of adjustable weights is designed to hold up to frequent use over time, with strong, reinforced rows of stitching to keep sand from leaking out. There's no need to spend money on pricey gym memberships or expensive exercise machines. Bring home the MindReader adjustable exercise weights to create your own budget-friendly at-home fitness routines. Dimensions: 3.15 W x 9.84 L x 1.18 H. Materials: neoprene, mental sand, styrene butadiene rubber. Number 2. Harbinger Neoprene Padded 2-inch Ankle Cuff. Features: use with weight stack to strengthen and tone leg muscles. Heavy-duty steel D-ring clips onto universal gym cables. Adjustable closure. Plush neoprene padding protects and cushions ankle. Can be wiped down for easy cleaning. Adjustable one-size-fits-all. 4mm neoprene padding for extra comfort. For strengthening and toning leg muscles. Number 3. GoFit Ankle Weight Strength Training Weight Sets. Build lower body strength one step at a time with these comfort fit, easy adjust ankle weights. These adjustable ankle weights offer a superior fit, so you can concentrate on the exercises and not the equipment. Ankle weights are a great addition to your exercises by providing resistance strength training for Pilates, yoga, dance, aerobics, and other cardio routines. High-quality Velcro closure ensures weights will not shift or slide while in motion, and the high-quality stitching and materials will hold up over time. Ankle weights are 2.5 pounds each. Features: ankle weights. Build lower body strength one step at a time with these adjustable ankle weights. 5 pounds set, 2x 2.5 pounds weights. Comfort fit. These adjustable ankle weights offer a superior fit, so you can concentrate on the exercises and not the equipment. Add resistance to your workout. Ankle weights are a great addition to your exercises by providing resistance strength training for Pilates, yoga, dance, aerobics, and other cardio routines. Durable and well made. High-quality Velcro closure ensures weights will not shift or slide while in motion, and the high-quality stitching and materials will hold up over time. Sold as a pair. Ankle weights are 2.5 pounds each, one size fits most. Number 4. Balance from GoFit Fully Adjustable Weights. Overview. Ankle weights can do a whole lot for you, including increasing the strength of your legs, increasing your fat burn, increasing the effectiveness of cardio workouts, and much more too. If you have not tried using ankle weights yet, we would recommend doing so because they add a whole new level of difficulty to any workout, difficulty which ultimately helps to increase the results that you get with each routine. Pair. All our ankle weights come in pair. For example, when you choose 2 pounds pair, you will get 2 ankle weights with 1 pound each. With oversized Velcro pad, the weights are super easy to put on and off. Full adjustable to fit ankle, wrist, arm, or your leg. Weights are made of neoprene exterior, reinforced stitching and moisture-absorbing material inside, soft, breathable, and comfortable. At a glance. Comes in pair. Fully adjustable. Different levels to choose from. with adjustable metal D-ring double strap closure system for a comfortable fit. Number 5. Perfect Fitness Perfect Push-Up Elite. Take your push-ups to the next level with the Perfect Fitness Push-Up Elite. Designed to rotate during push-ups, the Push-Up Elite increases muscle activation as the body dips lower. This increased activation can result in more muscle strength and definition in arms, shoulders, back, chest, and abs. The handles also reduce joint strain in wrists and elbows through natural body movement, with ergonomic grips that help distribute weight evenly and reduce pressure points. With an off-road style tread, the Perfect Push-Up Elite securely grips all floor surfaces. Weight vest ready with a weight capacity of up to 400 pounds. Take your push-ups to the next level with the Champion Perfect V2 push-up handles. The handles are designed to rotate slightly during your push-ups, increasing muscle activation as you dip lower. As a result, you can increase your muscle strength and definition in your arms, shoulders, back, chest, and abs. The handles also reduce joint strain in your wrists and elbows through natural body movement, with ergonomic grips that help distribute weight evenly and reduce pressure points. And thanks to the handles off-road style tread, the Perfect V2 handles securely grip all floor surfaces. Designed to support users up to 400 pounds, the handles come with a US Navy SEAL-inspired 21-day workout chart.